Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you have to skimp on flavor. And these recipes are proof. From delectable noodle dishes to comforting casseroles, these delicious dinners are sure to keep your family happy and your wallet even happier. Here's an easy, quick, all-in-one recipe that'll satisfy any craving. Accessible veggies like carrot, zucchini, and onion build the foundation of this dinner, along with ramen noodles. Yes, the dried ones from the packet. Boil the noodles and saute your veggies before ditching the seasoning pack in favor of a simple teriyaki sauce. Shredded chicken adds protein and makes this a complete meal all in one dish. Toss in the ramen noodles, then top with sliced green onions or some sesame seeds for color. And consider dinner done. With over 350 5-star reviews, this white chicken chili is a comforting crowd pleaser. It's called a white chili because it doesn't use any tomatoes or tomato sauce, but instead relies on green chilies and Great Northern beans for a spicy twist. Canned green chili peppers are an inexpensive way to add flavor and a flash. And the combination of beans and shredded chicken makes this chili extra filling and satisfying. Pair with cornbread, and you've found your family's new favorite chili. Bow tie pasta, mixed with a creamy and savory sauce, is topped with a crunchy broccoli crumble and baked as a casserole for a quick, easy, and delicious dinner. And what could make all that even better? Bacon, of course. Farfalle, or bow tie pasta, is ideal for holding onto the creamy sauce, but feel free to use your favorite shape. Build the entire sauce in one pan, with heavy cream and sharp Gouda cheese to make this casserole extra luscious. And to take it over the top, a buttery panko breadcrumb topping boosted with riced broccoli for extra color and crunch. This is a one-pan wonder even the pickiest eaters will love. Green beans, chicken, herbs, a creamy sauce, and mashed potatoes are the foundation of this comfort food variation. This casserole has all the elements of a classic shepherd's pie, along with a few unexpected additions. Canned green chilies add a kick of heat and flavor, along with wintry spices like rosemary and thyme. Pantry pulls like cream of chicken soup and evaporated milk are a clever way to build a creamy sauce without relying on pricey dairy. Layer green beans, the chicken mixture, your creamy sauce, and of course, shepherd's pie's signature mashed potato topping. Perfectly balanced in flavor and texture, this cozy casserole is a winner. Tuna noodle casserole is a family favorite, and for good reason. It's easy to make, relies on pantry staples, and is super affordable. This version takes the classic casserole and makes it even faster and easier. Cooking the noodles and peas in the same pot saves on time and dishes, as does using store-bought cream of mushroom soup for the base. This recipe calls for American cheese slices, but sharp cheddar or Gouda would be delicious too. Simply stir and serve. Dinner doesn't get easier than that. Hot dishes are a staple of the Midwest, and this macaroni and beef hot dish is one of the most popular weeknight dinners on Allrecipes. Ground beef is one of the most affordable proteins, and here it's transformed into a hearty dish with macaroni, peppers and onions, tomato sauce, and lots of seasonings. Tip: use canned diced tomatoes if they're out of season. The best part of this recipe? It's truly a one-pan dinner. And you don't even need to pre-cook your macaroni. It cooks right in the dish, absorbing even more flavor. One reviewer writes, "Growing up in Iowa, I've tried many variations of ground beef and macaroni dishes, and this is hands down our favorite." Now that's some glowing praise. Skip the takeout. This sticky sesame chicken is way more economical and done in less time than delivery. Chicken thighs are a great choice because they're not only more affordable, but also juicier and more tender than chicken breasts. This dish could not be simpler to make. Just bake your chicken thighs in a flavor-packed marinade with a handful of ingredients like honey and soy sauce. Serve with steamed broccoli and brown rice for a healthy, well-balanced meal in minutes. If it's grandma's recipe, it's gotta be good. And this slow cooker stuffed cabbage is no exception. Author and community member Locally Grown writes, "This is a recipe passed down from my great-grandmother with a few shortcuts she approved of. One of those shortcuts is incorporating ground pork sausage into the filling along with ground beef, which adds loads more flavor with minimal effort. Filling and rolling each cabbage leaf takes some time, but is a fun and easy way to engage kids in the kitchen. Plus, by using the slow cooker, you can prep this dinner well in advance, meaning that when it comes time to eat, just serve up these rolls with some of the tasty tomatoey sauce and dig in." With all these delicious dishes, You can freshen up your family's dinner routine without breaking the bank. That's dining on a dime.